Now, I think that is, can you get this on there? I think that's the lunch of a champion eater, a champion fat person,
Diabetic.
champion diabetic. Oh, it's freezing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Food Review Club. This is a very special video. We're doing meal deal madness, the nation's favourites. I was first introduced to the meal deal via Boots. Boots leading the game long before the supermarkets got on board. But today, I'm going to check out all the different meal deals. No, I'm not. I'm going to check out one of the different meal deals, and then from every other week, we might dabble in, dabble out, see who's got the best value, bang for buck, but also the best sandwiches and the best selection of available items. What are you laughing at? What?
No,
Today, we've got Tesco's. I don't know if Tesco's are any good or not in the meal deal front, are they, Jess? Do you think?
I used to get them from there, but that's because it's just close.
Okay, meal deals are brilliant for bargain hunters. We're going to dive into this now. You can either go down the route of getting something healthy, or you can go for trying to get the most valuable products you can, all included. I have no doubt that these are loss leaders for the supermarkets, but I want to reveal my meal deal that I've got today, and you guys get in the comments please and let me know what you think of my choices. First up, crisp game. I think for a lunchtime snack with a sandwich, that is a great crisp. We'll go into that in more detail. Oh, right. Stay. Sandwich. I normally go for the chicken and bacon. Again, it's normally one of the more expensive ones. Depending who's put it together though, it sometimes can be really like Stevie Wonder done it, but it's normally a good sandwich. This one today though, we found something different. It's the barbecue, chicken, bacon and cheese. Not seen that before. Interesting. Tesco's, and also it's £2.50 alone. How much this meal deal was? £3, I think.
Yeah.
So I've got, how much are the crisps?
90p.
90p. £2.50. I'm already winning. And then this is you get your drinks choice. You're gonna go for a can, or you're gonna try and bowl in with the most expensive drink you can. Not only a regular Red Bull, like this is the full 473 millilitres of Red Bull. Now, I think that is, can you get this on there? I think that's the lunch of a champion eater, a champion fat person,
Diabetic.
champion diabetic. I have not gone down the healthy route for my meal deal, but what I have done is I've raped Tesco's of expensive products. Expensive products. What do you think, Jess?
I think on the receipt it said minus £4.95.
So are you
but I don't.
but you got two though. You got one as well, didn't you? So
No, but it said it twice.
Okay, cool. All right, so look, I've done very well. Now, this is, you get in the comments now, let me know, please. Also, give this video a share, come on. Share it up, because there might be some meal deal connoisseurs out there that think they know the meal deal better than the big man. Right, first things first, let's dive into the sandwich and actually see if Tesco's have got a decent sandwich. Now, I've not seen this nice, easy peel box. I don't want to be fighting my box at lunch, do you, Jess? If I'm right in thinking, M&S have got a particularly sticky box. Tough to get into. Bit of a brain worker. Come on, let's go in. Let's dive into this sandwich now. Typically, this spread in these sort of sandwiches is horrendous. To this one, it's already soaked up a lot of the sauce in there.
Cheers.
What's the shiz? Look at this. Look at the spread in. We've got quite a lot of bread up this side, but it's good up the outside. Not horrendous. Let's dive in and see what this chicken, barbecue bacon. Is that what it is? Yeah. Barbecue chicken, bacon, cheese.
Barbecue chicken and cheese.
It tastes pretty low quality, as you'd expect. The cheese has got a really rubbery, doesn't offer a lot. The bread is actually not too bad. Kind of tasty, kind of soft. And the chicken, quite rich. Barbecue sauce is quite overpowering. All in all, not my favourite meal deal sandwich. Okay, crisp. Crisp connoisseurs out there. My all-time favourite crisp is Brannigan's smoked ham and pickle. But that's for a standalone crisp. For a sandwich crisp, if you're having with a sandwich, cheese and onion. Walker's, great crisp. However, if I'm trying to get a meal deal, this is also a great sandwich crisp. Let me show you why. Normally, come have a look. Look at it, look. They're big. They're abrasive. They're corrugated. Is that the right word?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Crinkle crunch.
Great crunch. Super flavour that normally complements a sandwich. Oh, let's test it. Put it to the test.
Oh, you do that, do you?
That brings it together. Yeah. This is, in my opinion, with a sandwich on a meal deal, the all-time great. Please get in the comments and let me know what you would have. Oh, of course, what will. Now, Red Bull. Excuse me. Drink what? Red Bull. Probably not one of my favourite drinks. However, when you're trying to, I don't have it look quite a bit. I just got to look from Jess saying, what is he? She's absolutely chatting waffle. This is a great drink for a meal deal because you're beating the bookies. How much is this on its own?
I think it's quite
It's about £2 or £3 pound drink.
£3.
The meal deal was £3. Winning. I feel like I've beaten the supermarket. And for lunchtime, little kick up the arse. Haven't had any coffee yet today. Need a bit of caffeine. Red Bull also massive company. Feel like getting involved with the page or sponsoring me. Maybe I could be one of the extreme eaters or something. I know they like extreme sports. Joking. Great drink to have with your meal deal if you're trying to beat the price. So that is my meal deal review of Tesco's. Selection wise at Tesco's, it's not bad. You do have some basics. Co-op do have a, here he is, look, teapot behind me. Just so you let you know, guys, that's the Holy Burger wagon. More of that coming soon. They have, Co-op have some more, like a plain cheese, a plain ham. Sainsbury's have got some nice ones too. You can definitely tell which sandwiches are made in the same factory. Have you seen that, Jess?
No.
Very, very similar. M&S, they've got a really good meal deal game. What sort of drink options you can get, smoothies, juices. I think this could be an absolute wild campaign from us on Food Review Club. Meal deal, hashtag meal deal madness. We're going to find the best chuffing meal deal in the UK. Tesco's, not a bad start. I feel like I've done you on price, so you're going to get a good score for that. Okay, I've not done you. You've put items on there that equate to a lot more than £3. Must be a loss leader.
It's like it's a deal.
It's like it's a deal, yeah. This meal deal, great value of products. Sandwich, however, pulled it back. I'm gonna give this a 6.7. Not too bad, room for manoeuvre. And that, ladies and gents, is our meal deal madness review. Get in the comments and let me know what you'd have from Tesco's and where else does a better review. Meal deal. Swipe up.